How you doing? So I'm back with another super easy, quick, fast pasta. Today we're going to be doing ham and mushroom in a cream sauce. It really is super easy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so nothing to this really. Mushrooms, ham. I've got 150 grams of ham. You can use any type of ham you want really. About 100 grams of mushrooms, like 3 decent sized mushrooms. I'm using fusilli pasta today. You can use any type of pasta you want. Get that cooked and ready because we're just going to add that at the end. 1 regular sized onion, 250 ml of cream. Now I'm using a thick cream, but you can use thin or thick. It will make no difference whatsoever. Tablespoon of garlic, couple of tablespoons of grated Parmesan, tiny little bit of celery, optional, but I love that in there. Teaspoon of oregano. We're going to start this off with some olive oil. So you're going to need a little sort of pan, or in my case a little wok here, and heat's on above medium. Just put it on. I've got some olive oil in there. We're going to add the onion, a little bit of celery, which I do actually really love in there, the chopped garlic, salt, black pepper, and we're going to cook this for 3 minutes. There you go, just 3 minutes on the high heat. We're now going to drop in the mushrooms, which I just sliced. And like I said, it's only like sort of 3 regular sized mushrooms there, about 100 grams. To that, we're going to add that little teaspoon of oregano, and we're going to go for another 2 to 3 minutes. Super easy and delicious. Let's get our ham, 150 grams of ham, which I've just sliced up. Just let a bit of heat go through that. $250 ml of cream. Like I say, I'm using a thick cream. You can use thick or thin. It will make no difference. Little couple of tablespoons of fresh Parmesan. We're going to get our cooked pasta. We're going to drop that in. Like I say, I'm using fusilli. Stay on this high heat. Give it 3 minutes. Stir in all the time. And we've done it. Delicious. Bing bang bosh, that was quick, wasn't it? It's absolutely wonderful. Fantastic for sort of midweek quick pasta. Hope you enjoy that nice bit of ham, mushroom and cream. I'll see you soon. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love. Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that. Just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us. That would really help us out a lot. We've just hit 100 million views. We're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all, even though we're offered it quite a lot. A lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money. I'm broke. Lots of love.